I know it's been a while, but I'm back at it again with another one. So as y'all know by the title, this is gonna be a lash tutorial, individual lashes, so you can save them coins, sis, and do it yourself. So I'm gonna show you what you will need and how to do it. So these are the lashes that I use. Let me make sure y'all can see them. Yep, got them from my beauty supply store in Classic Flare Medium. I know some of y'all gonna be like, oh, don't use that, but I like using hair glue. I have lash glue here, but I just like using hair glue just because it's easier for me. I feel like that's too loud. I feel like the lash glue dries way too hard for me, and it just takes off my lashes when I try to take them off. But with the hair glue, all you gotta do is wet them a little bit, you know, rub your eye, and they slide right off. So, you know, you need your lashes, your glue, and a mirror, but I'm gonna be looking in the camera, and some tweezers. Okay, so how I start off is I take 2 rows out of the lashes, and I just go ahead and place it on this right here so that I don't have to keep pulling them out, because if you try to pull them out too quick, they'll just basically like fray and rip off. It won't come off right. So just to save time, I just go ahead and line them up on here. So I have my glue on the inside corner of my lash, and now I'm gonna place it. So what you're gonna do is, let me let it focus. Okay, so what you're gonna do is look up and then place it and adjust it. Then try not to blink as you blow it, because if you blink too much before it dries, it can stick to your bottom lash. So we have our first lash laid, and notice how I'm not putting it on my waterline. I'm putting it like right where my lashes start. When you first start doing your lashes, don't worry, because you are going to mess up. It took me so long, y'all, to learn how to do my lashes. Like for a couple months I gave up until I was like, you know what, I love having lashes on, but I'm tired of going to the nail shop and giving them, you know, $20, $25, or sometimes even $30 to do my lashes, waiting, you know, to get them done. So I just, you know, you got to keep trying. You're going to get frustrated. You're going to want to give up, but don't. Just keep trying. You're going to get it, and you're going to be glad you did. So we got our first lash laid. So I'm going to go to my second lash. Okay. So I got my second lash right here. Look up. Same thing. Place it. And you notice how there's a space in between? That's good, because if you need to take one off and there's not a space in between, what's going to happen is you're going to take one off and it's going to pull the whole row off. So I leave spaces and then I come back the other way and fill the spaces in. So we got our second lash laid. Okay. So now I'm going to start filling the spaces in. And always push them back too after you lay them, because that kind of pushes them on your eye. So I'm going to finish filling in the rest of the spaces and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done with the first eye. You can see underneath, before, after, and they are put on underneath. So I'm gonna start on the second eye, but just a couple of things before. You can carry the lashes out a little bit further if you want the cat eye look, and also, you know, you can add mascara and stuff to you know, make it just a little bit darker after you're done. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, depends how I'm feeling. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on the second eye. Okay, so I have my lashes laid out and my glue on the corner. The first lash is the foundation for all your lashes, because say that you have your first lash that's back a little bit more, you have to make the rest of them back like that, or else they'll be like, they just won't look right. So the first lash is always the hardest lash. So take it, dip it. Remember, dip it on the inside corner. You see how that's the front of the lash? Dip it right. I'm trying to get it to focus better. Right there. Blow it. It's a little bit harder for me to do this one because I'm reaching over, but let me try to. Okay. First lash laid, and remember, don't put it on the waterline. Put it right where your lashes start. Okay. So I'm gonna just go ahead and, you know, keep going across, leaving spaces, and I'll come back and show y'all more when I fill in the spaces. Okay, so I have my second eye laid. So now I just gotta go in and fill in the spaces. So same thing, just take the lash, dip the inside corner, blow it, and then place. And I'm gonna start here. I don't know if y'all seen that or not. I hope I wasn't out of the view, but I'm gonna do another one. Okay, I hope y'all can see me place that one. So I'm gonna just do the same thing all the way across, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done. Here's the final look. I might go back in and add some mascara or curl it with the lash curler, but I don't know. But for now, this is it. Sometimes when you do them on top, I don't know, I just don't like the way that they look on top, but when you do them underneath, they just look so much more natural to me. So yeah, I hope y'all liked it. You know, like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that. Leave your critiques and comments down below. Let me know how I did. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see, what I should work on. And I'm going to try to start posting more. It's just that I really don't have the setup, but I'm getting it together now. So, yeah, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all liked it. Bye.